Hey, I'm Joe and I welcome you to my channel, the channel where you learn how to take care of your nails by yourself at home. In this video, I'm going to show you what to do and how to do it when you just want your nails to regenerate. If you wear too much nail polish or semi-permanent nail polish and you just want them to breathe, watch this video till the end and I will teach you how to do it. You start by cleaning your nails, and for this, you use this nail instrument to push your cuticles. When you are done pushing them, you just clean the surface of your nail with the other side of the instrument, the sharp one. Easy said and done. Continue with the scissors and cut your nails. Make them as short as you can, because this will help regenerate them faster. Next step is to clean the cuticles around the nails. And with a nail file, you just clean everything that's on the sides of your nails. Now it's time to give a proper shape to your nail. I'll go with the square shape now, and I'll use a nail file to adjust it. Few more steps and you're done. Use a buffer to clean the surface of your nail. Then what you need to do is remove your cuticles, and for this, just place your hand in a bowl of warm water, leave it for a few minutes, then with the scissors just cut your cuticles. As you have clean nails now, what you can do to let them regenerate are the following. You either just leave them as they are without using any nail polish or semi-permanent nail polish, or if you're not used to not having something on your nails, just use a transparent nail hardener. I'll go with the second option. Just one layer. And your nails will look perfect. Hope you find this information useful. If so, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notifications so we can keep in touch. Take care, bye!